as a political analyst and an observer, do you think that is everly a wise move for BP Sara na magdeklara na siya ng intention to run, considering yung kinakaharap nila ngayon na political rift, Professor?
Yes, actually, it's a bit too early. It's a bit too early, really, no? Kaya lang kasi, iba po yung ano natin ngayon, iba yung dynamics ng politika natin ngayon. Kung ikukumpara natin halimbawa nung 2012, I think 2 years after being elected as Vice President, si then Vice President Jojo Binay already signified his intention to run, di ba? So, and I think it backfired on him. Ngayon, kung magdideklara naman tong si Vice President Sara Duterte, ang tatanong natin dito is, will it backfire again on her? I highly doubt it because nung panahon po kasi na yun, may maliwanag na opposition. Ngayon po kasi, ang maaari po na no, hindi ko naman sinasabi na nangyayari na, pero maaari na maging opposition ay itong bloke o yung kampo po ng ating Vice President, especially if things really go sour between her and the House Speaker.